Top, Rocket, Facebook statistics, bar chart. Marketers should know in 2023 Facebook is the third most visited website following Round Pushpin, Google and Round Pushpin, YouTube. This puts it ahead of other leading platforms like Twitter and Instagram. The platform boasts 2.96 billion active users on a monthly basis. This makes it the most used social media platform worldwide. In 2022, Facebook's total ad revenue amounted to $113 billion. Additional fees and payments contributed to $2 billion worth of revenue. Revenue. Facebook usage statistics, chart with upwards trend. 1. Facebook has nearly 3 billion monthly active, Rocket, users. 2. Americans spend about 33 minutes on the platform daily. 3. 67.5% of monthly users are active daily, chart with upwards trend. 4. Only 18% of American users feel that Facebook protects their data and privacy. 5. Messaging, Round Pushpin, Friends and Round Pushpin, Family is still the top activity on Facebook. 6. It's the most used platform, Rocket, for customer service. Facebook advertising and marketing statistics. 7. Facebook ads see an average click-through rate, center, of 0.90%. 8. Advertising, Round Pushpin, on Facebook costs $1.72 per click. 9. The average conversion rate is 9.21% across industries. 10. Facebook generates the highest ROI, chart with upwards trend. 11. The median engagement rate on Facebook is 0.064%. 12. Photo posts and status posts have the highest engagement, chart with upwards trend. 13. Frequent posting doesn't result in higher engagement. Facebook video statistics. 14. Live videos see higher, bar chart, engagement than pre-recorded videos. 15. People prefer to watch videos with the sound off, collision, Facebook device statistics. 16. Most people access Facebook from any mobile phone. 17. Only 2.6% of users exclusively use computers to access Facebook. Facebook features stats, Reels, Stories, Messenger. 18. More than 500 million people use Stories every day. 19. Facebook Messenger has over 1 billion users, collision, Facebook audience and demographic statistics. 21. Users ages 25 to 34 years represent Facebook's largest, bar chart, audience. 22. Usage among teens has dropped sharply. That said, the platform's popularity, collision, among teens has seen a significant drop. Only 32% of teens were using Facebook as of 2022. This is a sharp decline compared to the 71% who were using the platform between 2014 and 2015. 23. Facebook has more male, bar chart, users than female. Facebook currently limits its reporting to male and female. And based on the data, the platform has a higher percentage of male users, 56.6%, than female users, 43.4%. 24. India has the largest, Rocket, Facebook audience size. 25. Facebook has the highest, collision, number of social commerce buyers. 26. When shopping online, 19% of US consumers start their search on Facebook.